Look at that. We got some bacon there. We got our beans. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. We got ourselves a pork butt from Sam's Club. 24 bucks, almost 10 pounds, right? So we got ourselves a pork butt and we got ourselves some beans. So we're making pork and beans, guys. Pork and beans, right? So I'm not gonna use this whole thing because that's a lot of meat. I'm gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna probably freeze half and we're gonna use half. So guys, I'm gonna use the quick boil method. So I'm gonna boil these off, right? Wait 1 hour. And guys, I'm gonna cut this up, I'm gonna salt it up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we got everything all cut up. I got 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of bell peppers, 1 cup of onions, and I would just say 2.5 tablespoons of garlic, right? This is our meat. It's been in the refrigerator for about 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours. We got some bacon, right? And guys, just take a look at our beans. They're nice and plump, right? And I'm gonna use this water. I'm using this water. Sometimes I throw it away, but today I'm reusing this water. All right, so let's get started let's get started. All right, guys, so we're starting with 2 pieces of bacon. All right, guys, our bacon is rendered out some of its fat because that's what we wanted. I'm just gonna put this bacon to the side. I'm gonna go in with our onions, our bell peppers, and our celery. I'm just gonna soften that up, guys. Guys, I probably should have browned my meat off first, so I'm taking these out of here, and I'm gonna do that now. All right, guys, so here's our meat. We've had it salted, and I'm gonna season this up. And I'm gonna be seasoning the meat with this ham bouillon, right? The ham flavored bouillon. That's gonna go on our meat. All right, guys, some granulated garlic, some granulated onion. We're going in with some cumin. I would say that's probably about 1/2 tablespoon of each. Some black pepper. Give this a spin. And no salt, because we salted it already, right? We salted it when we let it sit. All right, now we're gonna brown this off. All right, guys, so it's been a few minutes. This is what we're looking at on one side. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys back once I've browned it all up, because I have another batch to do. So I'll bring you guys back once this is all browned up. All right, guys, our second batch is starting to really brown up nice. I'm just gonna get some of these sides real quick. This is what we're looking like. All right, guys, I'm going down with just a little bit of avocado oil. You know what I feel like I should do? I'm gonna put some butter in here. Got some curry gold left. Just gonna put this all in there. Now I think that's enough. And we go back in with our vegetables and our bacon. We're going in with our garlic and then in with our thyme. See what we did? Put a little string around it. Guys, I also want to flavor our thing, granulated garlic, right? Just a little bit. Granulated onion. Just a little bit. Give this a stir. Go in with some of this bean water. And then really go after that farm now. Going with our beans. We're gonna go back in with our meat and all the juices. Guys, just to make sure we're gonna have flavor in our water, going in with 1 tablespoon of better than bouillon, right? Now I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then it's going into a 325-degree oven for probably at least 2 to 3 hours, right? Till that meat is tender. All right, guys, it's been about 2 hours and I don't know, 20 minutes or so, and this is what we got. Guys, and our meat is fall apart. Check this out. Our meat is fall apart. When you could do that, you know it's good. All right, so guys, now this is a little bit looser than I want, so we're gonna do the old slurry thing. So, hold on. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm just take some cornstarch. I don't know, what's that? A teaspoon, a tablespoon or so. And I'm gonna mix some water in here. All right, and I got some water. Just make sure I got it all in there. Now I'm not gonna put too much because I got this boiling. Don't forget I took this out the oven. So maybe just the boiling of the water will start to make it thicken up a little bit, but I might as well put a little bit. That much. I'll save the rest for later. And guys, our beans are soft, but they're not so soft that when you press on them, they break, but they're very creamy on the inside. So guys, this is thickening up just nice. So I'm gonna let this go for like about 5 minutes and we'll be done. All right, guys, let's plate this baby up. Look at that, guys. Look at that. We can eat it just like this, right? And this would be perfect, just like a little stew, right? I'm gonna give this a taste right now. Just top it with a little bit of onions, right? Why not? How about a little bit of green onions? Guys, how's that look? Look at that. It just falls apart, right? Let's get some of these beans. Pork and beans, guys. Pork and beans. Let's get some onion. Now, guys, this is the way I would eat it, right? This is the way. It's good to eat just like that, but I'm gonna show you how I'm actually gonna eat it. So that's one way. All right, guys, and this is the way I'm actually gonna eat it. Right? Look at that. We got our beans, we got our meat, right? We got a piece of cornbread. That cornbread's left over, right? That's some leftover cornbread. Right? I'm gonna go in with some onions right on top. Some green onions. Because why not? I will just throw a little parsley here for the thumbnail. And guys, this is dinner. Let's get some of that gravy, some beans here. Look at that, guys. Does it get any better? Some of that cornbread. Soak that sucker up. Guys, like, subscribe. This is one way to have it. This is sure enough another way to have it, right?
Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.
Give it a nice little pop. Look at how meat just falls apart. Guys, like, subscribe.